Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Dublin, Ireland, and this is St. Patrick's Cathedral, and I'm going to go inside and show you around, and you can see the cathedral. It costs $8 to get in. They let you go in shorts, and so I think that's all I have to know. So anyway, that's it. Okay, let's go take a look. Okay, bye-bye. So this is the church. And it's over 800 years old. And there's a line. You can buy your tickets online ahead of time, or you can come and stand in line. And the line seems to be growing pretty quickly, so I need to come and get in line. But I figured I'd show you St. Patrick's Cathedral, Dublin, 15 meters that way, and it tells you, other things about it, but what I wanted to do is show you the garden in the back, the grounds, I guess, the church grounds. Is that what we call it? Anyway, church garden. It's pretty amazing, but I'll show it to you, and then I'll go get in line and I'll pay the money, and you can see what it looks like inside. And so here are the grounds, and they are amazing. Oh, I might as well film the hours for you. So if you're ever going to come here, March through October, there's that, November through February, and there's that. And again, it's $8 per adult. And I don't think I saw anything that said if you're Eric's age, you can get a cheaper ticket. But that's life. Pause as needed on that one. But what I wanted to do is show you the grounds and how well they take care of things here. And they have flying buttresses here to hold up the building. But the grounds are amazing. Hello, how you doing? Very cool. All right. Well, that's that. And I think I can zoom in and get this for you. From I didn't know if it captured before, at least that way you know. So very cool. Okay. Well, and the church is beautiful and amazing, so let's go inside and see what we see. Okay, everybody. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody. This is St. Patrick's Cathedral, and Jonathan Swift is buried here, and he did Gulliver's Travel. 1713 to 1745. Esther Johnson. Can you read those? Pause as needed. Okay, I'm moving on. Here we go. Okay, so here's the cathedral. And the ceiling's pretty amazing. Looks like there's a lot of little side things to this. So obviously there's the main chapel up here, and it looks like that's closed for some reason, but there's things to the right and to the left. Let me me show you the ceiling real quick. Very cool. Huh. Oh, is this something you can write to? Yeah. They're doing a memorial for that lady that just died, Queen Elizabeth. Yeah, her. Oh, look at these spiral staircases too. That's amazing. Wow. That's very cool. Wow. That's amazing. Huh. Very cool. The organ. There's been an organ in the cathedral since 1471. Can you read that? Since 1471, much like the building itself, instruments and seasonal, okay, blah, 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 1902. Okay, cool. And does it say anything? Oh, here's the organ. I guess I should show you a picture of it, huh? And they have a keg barrel as an organ fund. And that is just silly. Okay. Does it say anything about the staircase? Besides no entry? Huh. But it goes up and up and up and up and up and up, so very cool. What is this thing? That's interesting. What does it say about this? The phrase "chant your arms" was often used to describe when someone is in 1492, two feuding families, Butlers and Ormond. Chant your arm, okay. That's amazing. Great stained glass too, by the way. Huh. It's certainly a pretty busy cathedral, that's for sure. Let's go up and around. Wow, look at the stained glass here. It's amazing. the whole room is filled with stained glass. Huh. Wow. And that's really cool too. See if I can get it to darken a little bit so you can see the stained glass. I don't think that's going to work, but wow. Pardon me. For the choir. Look at all the helmets above the That's pretty amazing. Very cool. Interesting. And they have little movies over here. That's kind of interesting. Lives remembered. The Southern Center in the camera. Okay. Arthur Smith, Richard Watley, Alexander McGee, Marcius Marsh. The floors are pretty interesting too, huh? And again, more stained glass. I mean, tons and tons of stained glass. And I wish I could show it to you better than that, but at least that gives you a better idea. Let me see if I can zoom in a titch. There we go, that's a little better. Pretty amazing. Sorry, the cameras don't pick up that stuff very well. Bell clappers, and keys. Lots of old artifacts and people drawing, or I guess you take a piece of paper. Brass ribbing. Can I watch? Wow, very cool. Thank you. Okay. Well, There's a lot to see here at St. Peter's Cathedral, Basilica, something. Very cool. Huh. What are these? Oh, audio devices. Got it. And this is St. Patrick. All right, everybody. Well, I think that's it for today on St. Patrick's. And they have a gift shop right here. And you can buy expensive things. Oh, this is the wrong way. All right, everybody. Thanks for coming with me to St. Patrick's in Dublin, Ireland. Okay, everybody. Bye-bye.